Good morning, everyone. Greetings and salutations from Orlando, Florida. It's a bit chilly out here this morning, actually. I think it's going to warm up to 70, but I don't think the temperatures have hit 50 yet, and I'm a bit chilly. Um, Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Hope you're treating your better half well today and showing lots of love. Um, my wife Lynn, my amazing wife Lynn, gave me a wonderful Valentine's Day gift today, which I'm going to share with you. So this is kind of a solo Beatles Valentine. I wanted to show you a couple of things I just picked up. As I've mentioned before, I kind of peruse the Amazon sites under the warehouse deals for CDs and vinyl, and I picked up some really great deals. So you got to kind of look through them. There's like pages and pages and pages of crap, and then you all of a sudden find a gem. Um, I found this on there the other day, and it arrived yesterday. Pure McCartney 4 record set, vinyl edition. Um, it came out originally in 2016, I think. This was brand new. I got it for 43 bucks or something like that US. If you look on Amazon.ca when I get back to Canada, it's selling for $92. So I got a steal of a deal on it. I don't know, because of the shade you can see the songs. It's just got a lot of hits on it. Maybe I'm Amazed, Heart of the Country, Jet. These songs were all selected by Paul personally as his personal favorites. I understand the CD version has a lot more songs on it than the vinyl version, but I wanted the vinyl. And it's a really nice looking set. Um, there's a nice hard box. Comes with a download card too, which I gave to my daughter. Nice booklet with some really nice pictures of Paul. I wish I wasn't getting that shadow. Maybe I'm better there. Um, Lots of stuff. What's Paul say here? Me and my team came up with the idea of putting together a collection of my recordings with nothing else in mind other than having something fun to listen to. Maybe to be enjoyed on a long car journey or an evening at home or at a party with friends. It sounds great to me. Anyway, Paul McCartney, here's the albums. I love that. Love that picture. That's a great picture of Paul. Here's what the vinyl looks like. The label. It's in here. Something else is in here with it. Oh, it's just a gold sleeve to put the record in. That's cool. Yeah, and then the next one has a different picture. And finally that. So 4 record albums and a book and a download card, 45 bucks. I'm happy. My wife, well, she didn't really surprise me with this because she told me to pick it up for myself and she'd give it to me for Valentine's Day. I never bought this set. It's the John Lennon Imagine Deluxe set. I never bought it when it came out. It came out in 2018. It is 4 CDs, 2 Blu-ray discs. Then I've always wanted it, and it's out of print. And somewhat, I mean, you can find it, but it's not like you go on Amazon. Both Amazon, CA and .com, don't even have it. They have it listed, but they don't even have prices except for third-party sellers who are asking a lot of money for it. There's a store called Sunrise Records in Belleville, Ontario, which is just up the street from where I live. They have a copy in there for 135 bucks. So with a 13% tax, that works out to about 160 bucks Canadian. I was at Park Avenue Records in Orlando, Florida, which is, if you're ever in Orlando, is a great store, and they have a ton of box sets. But they had this there for $99 US. So 6% tax, 106 bucks. With exchange, another 25 to 30%, it's about $136. Saved me about around 30 bucks. So my wife said, go pick it up, and she'll give it to me for our anniversary. So it's still got the shrink wrap on it. I'm going to open it now because I've never seen the inside of this thing. And I'm sure you guys are all going, yeah, big deal. This is, we've seen this a million times. But I haven't. So hang in there with me. Better put that in my pocket because it's going to blow away. So 6 discs. Disc 1 is a Blu-ray disc, Imagine the Ultimate Mixes, remix in 5.1, and a stereo 2496 mix. It's got the album plus singles and extras. The extras are Power to the People, Well, Baby Please Don't Go, God Save Us, Do the Oz, God Save Oz, and Happy Christmas, War is Over. Disc number 2 is raw studio mixes, extended album versions. So a lot of different takes on the songs from the original album. And then CD number 1 is the Imagine album in stereo. CD number 2 is the Imagine album new mix in stereo. CD number 3, raw studio mixes, extended album versions, a lot of different takes and outtakes. CD4, Imagine the Evolution documentary, new mix in mono. Interesting. So let's see what this looks like here. So we get ourselves a hardcover book. Sorry, John. Punched John in the face there. Oh wow, nice pictures, nice glossy pictures. And there's a great picture of Yoko. We love Yoko. I hope she's in good health. I know she was getting kind of frail there. Okay, stories of the album. Looks like some great reading material and some great photos to look through. There's the back, which is the back of the album. And then this, I'm assuming, houses the 6 discs. Yes, there's... Oh, that's cool. You can see that. Imagine. And then the 4, so that would be the Blu-ray in blue, and the 4 CDs. And there is the thing, like my friend Larry always does. If you want to scan that, I'll hold that up for you. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited. It's very cool. I've wanted to own this for a long time and haven't had the... just haven't picked it up, and now I own it. I'm very pleased. I hope everyone has a great day today. I'm waiting for a big package of CDs and an album to show up from Import CDs. When it does, I'm going to do a prog video of all the prog CDs and albums I've picked up since I've been here. I got probably about 10 titles to show you, so stay tuned for that. Again, my contest is still running till March 15th. Now, there's a lot of you out there who are just commenting and giving me your 3 choices. I hope you understand that you have to do a video if you want to be entered in the contest, but I do appreciate you sharing the 3 albums that you would pick. But if you want to be in the contest, please do a video. That's part of the deal. And thanks again to everyone who supported me. Check out the videos that Robert on my turntable, another great channel to subscribe to. Robert and I and Larry did a video yesterday kind of ranking all the songs from Beggar's Banquet and Let It Bleed from the Stones. And we also did a favorite bands thing, top 25 favorite bands, which I don't think Larry has uploaded yet, but it should be cool. And yeah, love everyone. Take care. Have a great day.